Alright, so let's go through this question. So we have this partial fraction question, right? So this is our case number 2 partial fraction, because you can see that we have this linear factor, and after that we have this repeated linear factor, right? So whatever you did here is very good, because it's a over x plus b over 2x minus 1 to the power of 1, right? Then after that, don't forget plus c over 2x minus 1 bracket square. Okay, the next step is actually to multiply left and right hand side by the denominator that you see here. Alright, yeah, so you also do it for the right hand side, for the 3 terms on the right hand side. So when you do that, right, the left hand side will be 2 is equal to, so the right hand side I will quote your answer, a bracket 2x minus 1 bracket square, right, plus bx 2x minus 1 bracket plus cx. Yeah, so okay, so I think for the C something, right, you got the thing wrong, or the form wrong, right? Alright, so after you reach here, you simply just do your substitution. Of course, you can use the comparing of coefficient, but that one is a bit confusing, so you just need to do this. Okay, for example, I want to find my C first, so I simply just sub in, so sub x equal to half. Why do I sub x equal to half? Because apparently, right, if I sub x equal to half into here and here, the whole thing will become 0. Alright, so okay, so the left hand side will be 2, so right hand side, okay, so this part will be 0, b, then the second term also be 0, then the cx will become half x. So when you times 2, left and right hand side, 4 equal to x. Equal to, I put it wrongly, so half c, not half x, half c, so your 1c will be 4. Yeah, so apparently our c, we get the value of c already. Okay, so now let's try to get a. So sub in x equal to 0. Alright, so when you do that, right, apparently you will get left hand side 2, right hand side a, so 2 times 0 is 0, right, and then minus 1 bracket square. So for this part, right, for the bx, right, so this whole thing is 0, so the whole thing right here is 0. So of course the cx is also 0, so you can see the a is equal to 2. So the second value come out already. Okay, for the last value, you can simply sub in any number. So for example, for me, I'll just do the easy way out. Sub x equal to positive 1. So left hand side 2, right hand side is, okay, so I just quote the a, 2. Then after that, 1, 2 times 1, 2, right? So 2 minus 1, 1 square, plus b, because b times 1 is b, right? So next will be 2 minus 1, 1. The last one, c, right? Okay, c, I quote the answer, 4 multiplied by 1. So when you do that, left hand side, you'll get 2, right hand side, 2 plus b plus 4. Then you just solve for b, so b is equal to negative 4. So that's it. Yeah, so for the, if I want to write in terms of partial fraction, you just have to put in this form. So for example, right, a you just replace with 2, b you replace with negative 4. So negative 4, just put it like that. So c is positive 4. So that is the answer for the partial fraction. Okay, so for the, I think for the case, you just need to do the multiplication. So for your left hand side, you multiply by x bracket 2x minus 1 bracket square. Then you do it for the right hand side. When you do it right hand side, right, just make sure that you do it properly. The denominator must cancel, so times x 2x minus 1 bracket square. Yeah, so everything is good. Only the last time you got the form wrong. Yeah, so that is how you do your partial fraction.